This summer, whether you're preparing to sell your home or maybe you just bought a home and you want to enjoy it, there are definitely some tips for outdoor maintenance to make sure that you get the most enjoyment out of it.
So me personally, one of my least favorite things about summer include pests. So we recommend caulking any windows, doors, any cracks to prevent insects from coming in. Also, any standing water is definitely a breeding ground for mosquitoes. So watch out for that. We have contacts for landscapers if you need any help in that arena. Also, have some fun with some simple outdoor furniture that you want to go outside and sit and enjoy.
Yeah, too, power washing can make a huge difference. You can spend a very little amount of money on power washing, and it does wonders to beautify your home, your porches, your driveway. Same with window washing as well. And of course, landscaping. A little bit of landscaping, some flowers, cleaning out those beds, putting in some mulch can do wonders, particularly right before you get ready to sell a home, but also just for personal enjoyment as well.
Yes, we are in the business of home and people, not only buying and selling. So we want you to enjoy the home that you have. For any contacts, tips, or recommendations, please contact Bock Realty Group. It would be the joy of our team to serve you.